Do you have an aquaponics system? Is it hot outside? Do you have lots of water in your system that's no longer in your system? You need a lid. Hey everyone, Kyle here from Poseidon's Pets. So what I got for you today is I just want to give you an update on the aquaponics system and show you something that I did to help combat evaporation. So evaporation is going to happen. It's going to happen. But if I can lessen the amount of evaporation, that's going to help ultimately in cost of the system, as well as effort from me as far as having to restock the water and top offs and stuff like that. So let me show you what I did.
Do me a favor, subscribe to my channel.
So first off, if you watched my last video, I moved the broccoli, the kale, the Brussels sprouts. I moved it all around, and then I planted eggplant as well as peppers. So you can see those peppers that I replanted, they're doing really good. They're starting to get new leaf sets. This eggplant has really taken off. When I started, it was right down here, just a little guy. I planted some garlic to help, oh, sorry for the wind. I planted some garlic to help with the white flies and the aphids that I was having. You'll notice that some of the kale just struggling just a little bit, not doing so good. It is starting to get pretty hot in here. So yesterday it was about 90, and that heat is what really starting to cook these guys. So I'm tempted just to pull out all the greens, harvest them, juice them, freeze them, whatever I need to do. That way they don't get Daisy. That way they don't get basically wasted. I don't want them to go to waste by drying up and dying. So real simple, what I did was I just got some insulation from Lowe's, Home Depot, wherever you go. And I measured where I would need to put the hoses. So this just slides in, slips in right over the hoses, right over the PVC. And that, it seems to help with some of the evaporation and the noise. So it does seem a lot quieter. So you this slides right in. And do you have any resistance? Just kind of wiggle it around. And it'll fit right back in place. I took the extra piece I had and put it against the wall as light reflection, just to add some extra light. So that insulation is going to help with evaporation. It's going to help with any splash out that I may have, as well as kind of dampens the noise a little bit, so that way you're not hearing it as much. So it's definitely been a nice addition to the aquaponics. I got one more thing I want to show you guys. So if I'm going to be removing those plants, I need to plant more in there. So I've actually got some plants that I'm ready to put in there. I've got some squash, I've got some beans, some more peppers, tomatoes. The Malabar spinach I'm just letting go to seed. But I've also got more peas, cantaloupe, Malabar spinach, Armenian cucumbers, some other stuff in here as well that I'm starting to sprout out, and I'm gonna let those grow up a little bit before I transplant them. So a lot of stuff to come. I'm excited for the aquaponics. So I've definitely got quite a few additions that I'm gonna be making to the system, and you know, I always appreciate your guys' support. So if there's anything you would wanna see, any questions you have, definitely leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. But as always guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you love me, you love my videos, you love my fish, hit that subscribe button. It's definitely gonna help you out. So thanks again for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.